my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Hey there, boat lovers and dockside daredevils. Buckle up because you're about to witness some of the most questionable boating decisions ever made. Spoiler alert, it's gonna get wet. This team tried to make a grand entrance, only for the boat walking ramp to betray him instantly. What are you saying? The tow truck's doing the heavy lifting, but the real entertainment is the group of college kids roasting their friend's brilliant parking job.
They're so fucking off. Actually, hey. I didn't turn the wipers on.
He tried to be the bridge between dock and boat, until they both betrayed him. This teen thought he made a new fish buddy, until his slippery friend pulled a disappearing act. Hey buddy, you can't park there.
Choose the right management company and charter company when you want to get out on the water.
He was holding onto the boat like a pro, until he wasn't. Nothing says we probably shouldn't be captains like renting a boat and immediately driving over the floating dock. One misstep later and he's taking a midnight swim he definitely didn't plan for.
You went far out. Yeah. Like you went far.
And the first one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I didn't know. Looks like a natural.
This ferry came in hot like it had zero intentions of stopping. He tries to stand up like a captain, until his tiny paddle boat said nope. Nothing says rough day on the water like needing a tow mid-river.
Yeah, it looks like you tried to go under the bridge, busted his whole T-top down, and then now he's getting towed by the stern. Brilliant. Yeah, you tried to go under the bridge. Oh Lord.
This boat was getting the VIP crane treatment, until the rope said, I'm out. Reporting live from the boat ramp, where this pickup is going way past the launch zone.
Exactly what happened here? What happened? Can you explain what happened here today? Can you explain what happened? I mean, seriously, just explain. We're on scene live in Port Aransas, Texas. Can you see, officer? Can you please tell us exactly what's going on here?
Just another day at the boat ramp. Truck halfway in, trailer fully submerged, and one guy in the water looking like he's got it under control. Oops. Tow trucks hauling up the whole package, truck, trailer, and boat, because somebody took launching the boat a little too literally. Well, that escalated quickly. 1 second, it's a routine boat launch. Next thing you know, the crane's tipping. This kayaker was out for a peaceful paddle until he accidentally declared war on a beehive. Looks like someone thought their Jeep was amphibious. Spoiler alert, it's not. This boat was supposed to ride the waves, not park on the beach. Looks like the Silverado tried to go for a swim and forgot it wasn't a boat. She came to catch some sun, but ended up catching Z's instead. He gave that pull start everything he had, and so did the engine. Straight into the ocean. Well, at least the wipers are doing their job. Too bad the rest of the car decided to go for a swim. He got the boat in the water, and himself too.
It's not gonna, it'll be alright.
There we go.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, are you alright?
Docking like a pro. If the goal was to play bumper boats.
Did he clip the other boat?
No, just missed that one. Just got me by foot. Look at that. Oh, I see. Oh, my word. And that's what torqued all the motors. Jesus.
It was at 10:47 and we literally got here at like...
1 second you're walking with confidence. The next, you're making an unplanned deep sea expedition. Nothing like a boat giving the dock a big ol' hug. Except this one forgot to stop. Well, that's one way to dock, just not the right way.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, yo, did he hit the boat? No, did he hit this boat? What do you mean you don't know? Hey, hold on.
He thought he had the perfect throw, but the pole was like, not today.
Take the move up or down on the barrel on, and you load it up, right? It would catch that foot right in there. I got it somewhere. Did you get it? Did the other guy get it? He almost lost it.
He was one step away from the boat, and one slip away from a surprise swim.
He just went in the water, Earl.
Well, that's one way to launch a boat. Too bad the trailer decided to make a splash first. Looks like someone's auditioning for a new water sport, dock dodging. Looks like this boat took docking practice a bit too literally. Straight into the wall. Uh-oh, looks like this massive ship's got a bit of a leak.
Caraca, olha lá, olha o que fez. Caralho, mano.
Well, that's one way to test a truck's water resistance. Talk about taking multitasking to a whole new level.
About to pull his jet ski out. I ain't never seen nothing like this in my life. 305, baby. What the? Look at it. You done back this joint into the wall. And pulling up on the trail. This dude about to man. He got that joint hooked up and pull it out. That's a hustler there. He made it happen.
Who needs a fancy boat when you can just throw a motor on a metal bin and call it a custom masterpiece?
I say, Mungo, what the bloody hell's going on here? We seem to be floating in a skip.
These two had one too many drinks, but the real splash came when they took an unexpected dive into the water. A romantic proposal turned into a boating disaster when she hit the gas. A father and son setting off for a peaceful boat ride. Until the son decided to make a dramatic entrance.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, God! Oh.
3 trucks, 1 yacht, and a boat ramp that just couldn't handle it. Watch as this guy attempts to make the perfect dock jump.
Whoa, dumbass!
Watch as this nice boat makes a not so nice docking move, straight into the parked boat. Brake slam. Hesitation kicks in. Gravity is calling the shots. Somewhere, a GPS just said, "You have arrived at your destination," and this driver took it way too literally. This is what happens when horsepower isn't enough. You call in manpower. Remember folks, boats belong in the water. Trucks, not so much.
Motherfucker took it out. Cuando hay trailer. It's a break. El diablo.
And here comes our captain, approaching the dock with the precision of a seasoned pro. Or so we thought. The latest in marine transportation. Introducing the car boat hybrid.
There it goes.
How to get this far?
Somebody was drunk.
No.
Now, with zero flotation and 100% regret, here we have a man, a boat, and a pickup truck. And about zero good decisions. And here we have a man who clearly misunderstood the concept of boat launch. And here we have a classic case of who's towing who. This little SUV thought it was in charge until the yacht said, "Nah, you're coming with me." Ah yes, the classic, let's take it slow approach, except in the wrong direction. This guy was supposed to back it up like a pro, but instead, he decided to launch his boat like a space shuttle. Alright folks, welcome to How Not to Launch a Boat 101. No captain, no crew, just pure chaos on the water.
Brad, you gonna make it a sputter skip day? Yeah, dang, it's here. Oh man, I forgot to put the sputter skip day. Here they come. Low ride, low. Film this now! Film this now! Yeah!
Well, that's a wrap on today's aquatic adventures. If you enjoyed this splashy fun, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or next time, you might end up in the water yourself. Literally.